A clash of titans is underway. In one corner stands Harvard University, a symbol of American higher education. In the other corner is the Trump administration, wielding its considerable power. At the heart of this battle lies a fundamental question. Who gets to decide what is taught and how a university is run? The Trump administration has taken the dramatic step of freezing billions of dollars in funding to Harvard. This action is part of a larger pattern of targeting elite universities seen as opposing the administration's agenda. The administration has also demanded access to sensitive university records, raising concerns about student privacy and academic freedom. Harvard has refused to back down. The university has assembled a formidable legal team to fight the government's actions. This case is about much more than just money. It's about the very principles of academic freedom and university independence. This fight matters not just for Harvard but for everyone who believes in the importance of a free and open exchange of ideas. To lead its defense, Harvard has enlisted the expertise of Robert Hur. Hur's resume reads like a who's who of Washington's legal elite. He's a Harvard alumnus, a former senior Justice Department official during the Trump administration, and a former United States attorney in Maryland. Hur is no stranger to high-profile cases. He was appointed special counsel in 2023 to investigate President Biden's handling of classified documents. His report, released in February 2024, criticized Biden's actions but stopped short of recommending criminal charges. This report ignited a political firestorm, with Republicans questioning Biden's fitness for office. Joining her on Harvard's legal team is William Burke, a seasoned litigator with a long history of navigating political and legal minefields. Burke is a former federal prosecutor, having played a key role in the Martha Stewart case. He also served as a top lawyer in the George W. Bush White House. Burke's client list reads like a roll call of Washington power players. He has represented multiple Trump associates during the Mueller investigation. He was involved in Brett Kavanaugh's contentious 2018 Supreme Court confirmation. Burke's reputation for legal acumen and his experience in the often murky world of Washington politics make him a formidable addition to Harvard's legal team. The Trump administration is demanding that Harvard hand over a trove of records. These include details about the university's international student body, particularly those allegedly involved in illegal or violent activities. The administration also wants to scrutinize Harvard's efforts to combat anti-Semitism on campus. Harvard argues that these demands are a clear overreach of government power. They see it as an attempt to dictate university policy and stifle academic freedom. The university maintains that it has taken significant steps to address anti-Semitism and ensure a safe and inclusive campus environment. However, they refuse to comply with demands they consider an infringement on their independence and constitutional rights. Hur and Burke's experience makes them, honestly, uniquely qualified to handle this high-stakes legal battle. They really understand the political landscape and the legal intricacies of the case. Hur's time as a prosecutor and special counsel has given him invaluable experience in handling complex investigations and navigating the often intense pressure of politically charged cases. Burke's experience representing high-profile figures in Washington, including those within the Trump orbit, gives him insight into the administration's tactics and potential vulnerabilities. He is a skilled negotiator and a fierce advocate for his clients. So, together, Hur and Burke bring a potent combination of legal expertise, political savvy, and courtroom experience to Harvard's defense. The financial implications of this case are, honestly, staggering. The Trump administration has frozen $2.2 billion in grants and $60 million in contracts to Harvard. This funding is crucial for a wide range of programs, from groundbreaking scientific research to financial aid for deserving students. The loss of this funding would be devastating for Harvard. It would force the university to make difficult choices, potentially leading to cuts in research programs, reductions in financial aid, and even layoffs. However, the impact of this case extends far beyond the ivy-covered walls of Harvard. This case is about more than just money. It's about the fundamental relationship between government power and university independence. Throughout history, universities have served as crucibles of critical thinking, challenging established norms, and pushing the boundaries of knowledge. This freedom to explore ideas, even controversial ones, is essential to the mission of a university. The Trump administration's actions have raised alarm bells among those who fear that the government is trying to suppress dissent and impose its ideology on institutions of higher learning. The outcome of this case will have profound implications for universities across the country. If the Trump administration is successful in dictating terms to Harvard, it could embolden other administrations to exert pressure on universities that don't toe the line. This case is about protecting the free exchange of ideas. It's about ensuring that universities remain places where students can explore different perspectives, challenge conventional wisdom, and develop their own critical thinking skills. This fight is about safeguarding the future of American higher education. The legal battle between Harvard and the Trump administration is likely to be protracted and contentious. Both sides are digging in, preparing for a long fight. The case could potentially go all the way to the Supreme Court, with the outcome having far-reaching implications for the balance of power between the government and institutions of higher learning. One thing is certain: the outcome of this case will shape the future of American higher education for years to come. It's a battle that will determine whether universities remain bastions of free inquiry or become beholden to the political whims of the government.